This is the 214th endangered seahorse we've rescued and relocated from this site alone. Today, the Abyss project set out to complete their final checks of the underwater construction site at Gunnamatta Bay. This work is critical to maintain and keep up the pier, but before that can be done, our specialist team needs to get underwater and relocate any seahorses from the base of the construction site to ensure they don't perish with the work.
Hey Carl, I've just reached the base of the pile at the work site. Just going to commence looking for seahorses.
Copy that.
At the moment it's looking pretty clear. I think I'm moving on to the final pile now just to do the last inspection. Just found a Sydney Seahorse. Just going to go ahead and secure it in the bag.
Copy that, Cody. Good job.
And we have a secured female seahorse, and it's got a nice light brown tinge to it, and it's looking really good. I just finished up my search. I'm heading over to the seahorse habitats to do my relocation.
So we're finishing up here. It's our final survey of this construction site. Our divers have actually found one last endangered Sydney seahorse, and it's being relocated right now to the seahorse habitat here at Gunnamatta Bay. Construction can have adverse effects on the marine environment. However, with the right procedures in place, we can completely eliminate those. And behind me right now is 12 seahorse habitats, which were installed by Grace Point Public School and donated by the Abyss project. In the last 12 months, these have thrived into the perfect habitat for the relocation of the Sydney Seahorse during this construction. It's environmentally minded councils like Sutherland Shire that allow us to do this incredible work. In this site alone, we found 214 Sydney seahorses. It's critical work like this that ensures the long-term conservation of this species.